moonshine sweat dripping down my spine. The old man's radio humming real low. We were barefoot rebels with nowhere to go. Tires kicked dust where the cattails swayed, skipping words just to waste the day. Her laugh cut through like a fiddle's cry. Sunset shimmered in her whiskey eyes. Down by the creekbed, knee deep in trouble, love ran wild where the river ran double. Barefoot splashing, hearts on fire, chasing forever till we lost the light. Ain't it funny how the years roll on? Still hear the echoes of a love long gone. Rust on the dock where we carved our names. July nights never felt the same. We swore we'd stay, but the world pulled tight. She packed her bags with the morning light. I still go back when the summer turns gold, see her footprints in the water so cold. Some things change, some things fade, but I'd give it all for one more day. Down by the creekbed, knee deep in trouble, love ran wild where the river ran double. Barefoot splashing, hearts on fire, chasing forever till we lost the light. Ain't it funny how the years roll on? Still hear the echoes of a love long gone. Water keeps flowing, time don't wait, but a heart like mine won't ever shake. That midnight kiss, that reckless dream, still burns